Recognizing the unspoken. Verbal cues of confusion. Hello, language explorers. Today we're diving into a topic that's essential to effective communication but often overlooked: recognizing verbal cues of confusion. We've all been in situations where we've misunderstood or miscommunicated something on a phone or video call. The good news? There are some common signals that can help us identify when this is happening, so we can correct course and avoid misunderstanding. So, without further ado, let's get started. Verbal cues are important indicators of how a conversation is going. They can tell us if the other person is understanding what we're saying, if they're confused, or even if they're losing interest. When we're on a phone or video call, these cues become even more crucial as we don't always have visual cues to rely on. Recognizing and responding to these cues is a key component of effective communication. There are many verbal cues that can indicate confusion. These include: 1. Repetitive questions. If your listener asks the same question or similar questions repeatedly, it could mean they didn't understand your answer or explanation. 2. Long silences or pauses. These may suggest the listener is trying to process what you've said, or doesn't know how to respond. 3. Uncertain or non-committal responses. Phrases like, "Aha, I see," or "Okay," when used frequently might indicate that the person is not fully grasping the information. 4. Requests for clarification. Statements like, "I'm not sure I understand," or "Could you repeat that?" are clear indications of confusion. Once we've recognized the cues of confusion, we can take steps to clarify and improve understanding. Here are some strategies. 1. Clarify your points. If you notice signs of confusion, stop and ask if your listener has any questions. You can also rephrase your points to make them clearer. 2. Check for understanding. Periodically ask if your listener understands what you're saying. This allows for immediate feedback and gives them an opportunity to express any confusion. 3. Speak slowly and clearly. Rapid speech can lead to confusion. Try to speak at a moderate pace, enunciating your words clearly. 4. Use simple language. Avoid jargon or overly complex sentences. Stick to simple, straightforward language as much as possible. And there we have it, a guide to recognizing and responding to verbal cues of confusion during telephone or video calls. Remember, communication is a two-way street. It's not just about speaking, but also about making sure our message is understood. We hope this video has given you some valuable insights. Keep practicing, stay curious, and keep exploring the world of language.